Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you an EZ Bay Payday review. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and how to have freedom and choices to do what you love. So if those are topics that are of interest to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. And that way you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. And if you're returning to the channel, thank you guys. I appreciate you so much. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. This is a new product on Clickbank. Right here, EZ Bay Payday. The creator is Steve Richards. This is a sales page. I'm not going to play it. But it talks a lot about how you can make money on eBay, up to $500 per day. So there's some realistic claims on here that I think are good. Not like some of the sales videos where they talk about making $10,000 in a week. So this, I think, was a good sales video overall. So I decided to go ahead and get the product so I could show you guys what it entailed. And it was for $37. So the first thing when you get in here, I mean, it tells you in the video, it's pretty much having to do with eBay, selling on eBay, and really there's only two ways that you can sell on eBay. You either have something at your house or at a warehouse and you sell it and then you ship it to the customer, or you drop ship it. This product is about drop shipping. Okay, but when you get into here, it's interesting because step one, it doesn't have anything to do with eBay. Well, step one is just this video introduction here. But step two is you go to supercharge your income by signing up for this webinar, which when you click on it, it takes you to John Crestani's webinar. So this does not have anything to do with eBay to my knowledge. This is his super affiliate system auto webinar funnel. Okay, so that's in there. So there, of course, the creator of this is making a commission when you buy from John Crestani. And then step three is you're going to claim your free website. Okay, so let me click on here. I don't know if I can. Okay. So it's going to set up this website, but it shows you that it's like a SEO website, and this, again, I don't think has anything to do with eBay, but you have to sign up for domain and web hosting. So when you get into here, like I already have a domain web hosting, but you would be forced to, well, it says your domain is free. That's the one I picked. Your setup is free, but you have to pay for the hosting. So it's going to be $143.04 to get this set up. Your free, well, it's not free, but it's your website. So it's like an SEO website. And again, it doesn't, I don't think that links to eBay in any way. And then step four is, I think these offers switch out, but when you click on this, it takes you to CB Cash code. And this is a product in Clickbank. And you can see I did a review on this product here a while back that I had not recommended. Okay, so then when you get down to here, you actually get into the eBay course. And what this is, I'm just going to click here. Okay, so this is showing you how to drop ship on eBay. Just a basic overview of why you should sell on eBay, how to find sellers, and then look at their products that they've sold to figure out what kind of products that you're going to list on your stores. It shows you how to set up your store, how to optimize your store, and there's a video on how to use software to upload to your store, and then after you make a sale, how you fulfill that order, how you add the tracking, and so it's just a basic overview of eBay dropshipping. And this is what they're saying, that you can make up to $500 a day, which you can. They made it sound like you would make it like right away, but I've done eBay dropshipping, and it does take a while sometimes to make a sale. I mean, I think when I first started, I did make a sale in 2 or 3 days, but it wasn't $500. So, but it is a good overview. So that's all that it is on eBay that I could find. And then there's like 4 other tabs down here. These don't have anything to do with eBay. This one, earn extra money method, 13 best apps to make money by taking surveys. Interestingly enough, when I clicked on it, it was one of the YouTube persons that I follow, Justin Bryant. So it's just his YouTube video, and this one is somebody else's YouTube video, extra money making method, test websites for fast cash. And then this one here, same thing, extra money method, freelancing virtual assistant, showing you how to make money as a freelancer. This one here doesn't have anything in it yet. So that's basically the course. And then of course you would have your upsells, the gold. I'm not going to click on these because I'm not sure. I think if you click on them, you just automatically get charged for them. So you get the gold package, platinum package, and titanium package. So I'm not exactly sure what those are, but obviously they're going to cost you more money to upgrade. So that's basically what's contained in this course. I do feel like the pros of it are it's a low cost, and you do have the 60-day money-back guarantee through Clickbank. It's a good overview of eBay dropshipping for anybody who's new. I think if you are advanced, you know, this would be a very basic course. The cons, I think that there are other things in here that it's difficult to see how this relates to eBay, if it relates to eBay at all. So there's other costs in here. They also don't mention that with eBay, when you drop ship, well, they may mention it in here, but PayPal will hold your money for a certain number of transactions because you're brand new. So you're going to have to have that money up front that you purchase these products to sell, to send to your customers. So you have to have some working capital up front to do eBay drop shipping, and you have to do the customer service. You have to make sure that whatever it is you're selling is still in stock, because if you sell something that's out of stock and it's only a certain color, then you have to deal with the customer, and they may know that you're drop shipping. So there's a lot of customer service that goes into this as well, and they make it sound very easy, and it is an easy concept, but it does take some work and definitely some time of managing it. So I would say that would be the cons of it. So overall, I think this is a good product in Clickbank, and I would recommend, if you're brand new, that this would be a good product to start with on eBay dropshipping, but there are some other upsells in here as well. So that's my overview of the EZ Bay Payday course. It's kind of hard to say. So if you found value in this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And if you're interested in learning my #1 recommended system for making money online, that'll be in the description below. That's the first link. Also, I'm going to leave a link to a video I did on eBay, just kind of show you an overview of some products that I sold that did very well. I'll leave that in the description below this video. And with that being said, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and do that if you'd like to see more videos like this. And with that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.